That's why Busy is the only one who stay around Bounty Killer. And not because Busy loyal.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bienvenido, es vengo momento, checking in, wagwan my peeps, here we there, but we there, same way, big up all of the subs them right now, if you watch the program, you not subscribe yet, just go ahead, do that, don't forget, click that bell for all the notifications, So we are look on the topic, my people, and really and truly, we see we're Tony Matterhorn continuously. I open some can of worms where make people have to say, yeah, jaw dropping. But right now, we see where nobody now really put this out yet, my people. So it is really an exclusive with regards to what Tony Matterhorn is saying right now where Busy Signal is concerned. So wanna hear what I must say and comment and let me know if you really feel like Busy Disloyal, my people. Watch this.
So all of them become Judas. All of them ungrateful. Every one of them ungrateful. Only Busy Signal. Because Busy Signal is the only f***ing one where Busy different. Busy is a youth where not really bother Busy. That's why Busy is the only one who stay around Bounty Killer. And not because Busy loyal. Everybody loyal to a point. Away you up with them loyalty. Remember that. Everybody loyal to a point where you with them loyalty. And it have nothing to do with real. Me is a monster. And me never sit by while nobody try disrespect me. Cause me shoot a guy. Me no know that. Me no one of them type of person there. Box. Turn the next streak. See if you put your hand on me a gunshot. Me don't know about that. I might turn the other cheek for one time. But me now go continuously make somebody try put me down. I use a buff, fucking idiot. I use a slave mentality. Then you would do something like that. Me not do that something there. If a gun do not say, a gun me I say. If a war not say, a war me I say. Straight. So when you bad see Bounty Killer there now, did you know that him are the Antichrist of the dancehall? Over the years, I watch him ruin countless amount of careers, you know. Him help them and then want ruin them. Because Bounty Killer, what you don't understand is Bounty Killer will help you. But as soon as you reach a level where him think you not for reach, that's when Bounty Killer fight you. And he did that with every single one of those names that I just called. Hence, them are gonna look like them are Judas, like them betray him, because him helped them. You understand? That's what the problem is. Bounty Killer, you notice, alright, now me gonna lick a nail in the blood clot coffin. And watch how the whole of now I got turn pussy and scatter. Whether he's a Bounty Killer fan or not, me go go no facts. Every name when me just call. Every name when me just call.
Okay. Oh no, yeah, what Magic Boy are saying up, people. Right now, better wait to see if Busy are gonna say nothing. We know say eventually Grung God I gonna respond still, but Busy is not a man where really to follow up the bag of drama. He's not a man where to love the whole bag of kias and thing. Them man them more make them work, speak for them the people, and he has always been like that, you know. Yeah, so Tony, him know the strategy. And him know say, yo, talk up the things them. Him they are foreign, him not their yard where him have to say none of these people basically. What him a talk about. Cause him live a foreign, him know say Grung God never have a visa. So him not have to buck up bounty nowhere at all, my people. If he not want. You know, so him in a zone right now where him can talk anything. Right? Yeah, him can talk anything, but at the end of the day, the disrespect it no really necessary to the extent where we see Magic Boy bring it. You know, people, because really and truly, no matter what you say about Grung God, at the end of the day, nobody not perfect. And at the end of the day, we can always look and say, Bounty is not a selfish person. Because if we look on a Beanie Man, and we say, suppose a Bounty did stay like a Beanie Man. Beanie Man always want the pan top by himself, my people. Him no want boss nobody else. You know, we can name 5 artists Beanie Man boss, much less 3 over the last how much years Beanie Man are reign? Asking, And look how much influence them man they have in their business, people, really and truly. No, Grung God, we have to give him props and him credit, because at the end of the day, yeah, Matterhorn attack 90% bad and 10% good where Grung God concerned. Because him say, yeah, him bust the youth them, but him try kill what the youth them career when it reach a certain extent. Grung God do whole heap more than that, man. Whole heap more. And at the end of the day, something about life, which is a trend, people always go fi highlight the negatives, my people. You know, and this is something where with society always suffer from. And it's a syndrome which we can title as crab in a barrel. Yeah. But in truth, we not say everything where Matterhorn attack is a lie, my people. And we not sit down here and try defend Bounty. Either we try look on some balance in the argument we might talk about. Because some of the names them call, we know say the tension did very high with Baby Sham. Me not even did know say Grung God and Baby Sham would ever link back, but them link back. We say the tension go off with Teacher. Never know say them would have link back, Vado. Vado was one of the cases where really surprised we as fans in the dancehall, because we look and say, but look how Grung God and Vado used to roll. We never expect this kind of separation, this kind of erosion in the whole band of people. So, well, make me don't want to really feel still, you know, yeah. And just bless upon yourself, people, because why right now, we want to see about the unity, you know, but we wonder if we can really forward back after all them things out in the world. We talk later. Tablar más tarde. Es vengo. Momento.